Hey, so quick video of how to send it to me. I'm going to go to Google Forms and then I'm going to open up one of my Google Forms. I'm just going to choose this one, my fashion marketing form. And then there's three little dots in the top corner you can click on, and you can click on make a copy. And I'm going to title that for Misha, and I'm going to press OK. Then I'm going to take this one this one is yours, but I'm just going to go back just to make sure that I'm not messing anything up. And I'm going to click on the one that says for Misha, and then I'm going to go to where it says add collaborators. And then I'm going to and you will be able to do anything you want to do with this one, but it will not change the one that you have that you're using the link for. Misha doesn't have a Google account. Yes, she does. So I'm sending that. So please send it to me when you get a chance. Thank you.